So you guys must have some pretty nice sentences framed for all the noise. Okay, put your phone all the way back up. Your phones are put away, your earbuds are out. So I assume you guys are done with this one sentence answer. That's why you're so off task. It says use a complete sentence to interpret the slope shown. So I'll go ahead and identify that the slope is -5. That is not an interpretation. Interpret means use lots of descriptive words to describe the variables. Okay? Variables. So this is not an answer. Okay? If the question just said, what is the slope? The answer would be the slope is -5. But this is this important word interpret. And they want you to talk about what that -5 really means. So who did come up with a nice sentence describing the variables? Or JC, let's hear it.
Line of best fit is moving downward and slope is -5.
Yes, that's a good description. It is moving downwards, the slope is -5. But I want to hear a sentence that describes maybe the title, the x-axis, the y-axis. So describe title, x-axis, y-axis. Instead of just saying slope is -5, I want to know what's the rate of change as it applies to the situation here. So what is supposed to be like a real live data? This is our third day talking about, real data and how to interpret it. Okay, go ahead, JC, after it.
For however many student number absence there, about 3 or 5 will finally exam score goes down to 5.
Yes, you're there. Summarize it one more time.
So the number of student absences there's the score goes down by 5 on the final exam.
Yes, for each student absent, the final exam score goes down 5 points. That's it. You got it. And you can say that any way you want, but he used the word absence, and he used the words exam score, and he described how that -5 relates them. So as the absences go up, the exam score is going down, and it's specific according to the line. Every absence relates to a 5-point decrease. Okay, so if you end up being absent 5 times, that's 25 points generally. 4 times is 20 points lower. Depends how long the time is, but okay, so when it says interpret, we're looking for details about the real world application, not just what the slope is, using the descriptions. All right, when you're done with that, let's look at the handout from yesterday. I assigned you the back. Was anybody absent yesterday? the end, or maybe I showed the answer. I don't know. But for my straight line at hour 8, I'm at about 82 passengers. Your line might look a little different. But what I would do to grade you is I would look at hour 8 and go up to where at. Alright, SUVs. After the first year, this SUV is worth 24. Oh, this is 5, 15. This would be 25 here. So this is 1, 24, 2, 22, 3, 19, 4, 17, 5, 16, 6, 13. Every year the value of the SUV goes down. And that's the line. Then draw an assist line. Use the line of fit to estimate a 7-year-old SUV. The line shows my line. The line shows a 7-year-old SUV is $10,000. 10 grand. Goes down a little bit every year. Did I tell you to write an equation for all of these? Number 3 says to write an equation. Sage belongs to a bird watching club. Every 2 days she goes out and counts the number of black-hooded parakeets she sees. The scatter plot shows the number of parakeets. Write an equation for the line that is drawn. So this one you had to write an equation. I'm going to use this point here and this point here, but you could have used different ones. That's okay. So my 2 points are going to be 6, 6 and 14, 10. And I'm going to find the slope of my line. You could try counting rise over n, because it's kind of clear it's going up 2, 4 over 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's going up 4 over 8. Did anybody do this and get a slope of 1/2 or 0.5? Okay. Good job. Okay. So it's 10 minus 6 over 14 minus 6. Our slope is 1/2. And then I'm going to do y minus 6 is 1/2 times x minus 6. So are you going to work on that question? Did you go last one? Yeah, you can start it whenever you're ready. I'm going to add 6 over. And I get y is 1/2 x plus 3, which makes sense because that does kind of look like the y-intercept is exactly at 3. So here's the equation I came up with. Now it says use the equation to figure out how many parakeets were present on the 8th day. So we'll plug 8 in for x. And it looks like 7 parakeets were present on the 8th day. What? Oh, does it? Thank you. That's going to be way more. Why is the number of birds going up over time? Anybody want to make a little prediction? It's going up. The number of birds is increasing as the days go on. Maybe it's the spring and they're getting born. And maybe it's what's another reason a bird population would increase over a number of days? Maybe it's a migration. So, oh, you guys, I don't know if you noticed in the spring, you look out in your backyard, you see more and more birds coming around. Thank you, Ramsey. On the 18th day, there are 12 parakeet birds. Does that match my line? Yes, it does. Okay. When I come by, go ahead and just flip your paper, so I can see that you did both sides. You did the front with me yesterday, and you attempted this back on your own. Flip yours over, please. Thank you. Flip. Flip yours over, please. Flip yours over. Okay. Flip yours over. Flip yours over. Flip yours over. Flip yours over. Thank you. Flip yours over. Flip yours over. Flip yours over. I never checked the work from Friday that we also did together. So you guys have been participating well in class, to be honest. I think you've been doing a pretty good job. So go ahead and show me what you have from this assignment. Looks like I've erased my work. I remember we talked about baseball and batters. We talked about laptops, the RAM of laptops. Oh yeah, what page? Page 351. This is from before break. We did it together. And then did I do 10 with your period? I did 10 with 6th period, but I don't know if you did it.
That we didn't have to do.
No, which I don't have anymore. It's page 351. We did it together before break.
Good catch. Not really good catch. You had a good catch. You did not.
351. Thank you.
Oh, it's straight.
Thank you.
Oh, we go. I'm not going to My mom was not paying for that. My mom was not paying for that.
Good job. Let's see yours. Did I look like anything?
I did like, I skipped 7 and 8 and I did 9.
If I walked around the room and did all these grades and I get to this assignment before you, I'm gonna be disappointed. Now sit down and get to work. Log into Big Ideas Math. Let's go. Okay. So I had this on the I had this showing on the Bellward screen, but I didn't say it out loud. We're done with chapter 4. It snuck up on me. I didn't realize it was gonna be so quick after right.
You just asked me that. Girl, you know.
All right, y'all. Settle down now. Settle down now. Okay, so yeah, here we are. It's called Chapter 4 Review. And it looks like there are 13 questions. I'm not really happy with what the online program had to say about the scatter plots. There's just one question at the end about scatter plots. So please don't forget all the work we've been doing on scatter plots. So this is going all the way back to the beginning of chapter 4 of writing equations. But it's the same steps. So find the slope, use point slope form. Now, your test is scheduled to be on Schoology again. You guys did so well on the quiz that was on Schoology. But I'm also going to do a partial paper form. Okay? So part of your test will be on paper so that I can grade some of your work by hand. And then some of it will be in Schoology. Okay? Tomorrow I'll be telling you about the vocabulary. I bet you want to see that today. I'm going to work on your vocabulary that's on your test, getting that up here for you, and I think that you guys can work on this. I don't think that we need to necessarily go to silence, but maybe we do. You guys can find slope now, right? Let's go. Let's find slope. Yes, I believe everyone has the same order of questions. You guys don't, this isn't your number 1? That's annoying. I tried to make it so everybody has the same number 1, so that way you can collaborate a little bit, but you gotta be able to focus